how was the overall difficulty level of the exam?
It was moderate. Slightly difficult than NEET.
Okay, so did you appear for last INISET also?
No, this was my first attempt.
Okay, so can you name some of the topics from which questions appeared?
Sutures. There was an OGG test. That's all I can remember right now.
Okay, so were questions from clinical side as well?
Yes.
Okay, and can you name the percentage of questions from easy and difficult?
The first few sections were very difficult. The last section was comparatively easy.
Okay, so we can say 60% was difficult and 40 was easy. Okay, and were there any technical glitches in the center? And any changes you felt from what you prepared, and any surprise elements in
The previous INISET questions, as I had attempted them, they had more previous year based questions. This time I felt it was like new questions, new format of asking them.
So do you think the expected cutoff may be up this time?
We'll see.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Based on the level, sorry.
Your name?
Abhitanshu.
Okay, so how was the overall difficulty level of the question?
It was from moderate to difficult, as I suspected. Last exam of Maya INISET was comparatively easier, but this was a bit typical. That I felt.
Okay, so and can you name some topics from which questions appeared?
From micro parasitology game, there was. Let me remember. Image-based questions came from anatomy. If I have to point, then there were 2 to 3 questions of lower limb image-based. Yeah, particularly from the sacrum section. There were questions about origin and insertion of muscles.
Okay, so do you think the expected cutoff will be up? So your name?
Riya.
Okay, so how was the overall difficulty level of the exam?
It was okay. It was moderately difficult. The fourth section was difficult.
Okay, so is this your first attempt?
Second attempt.
Second, so
I gave the May one.
Okay, so was it difficult from the last time?
Yes, it was difficult from the previous one.
Okay, so can you name some of the topics from which maximum questions came?
Public health dentistry and conservative.
Okay, and were the questions more of clinical in nature?
Clinical.
Okay, and can you name how much questions were easy and how much was difficult in terms of percentage, if you can?
Around 60% of the questions were easy.
Okay, and were there any technical glitches in the exam center?
No.
Okay, and do you think the expected cutoff will go up from last time?
I feel so.
Okay. And the questions required conceptual clarity, or they were more like one-liner or match the following?
No, they required conceptual clarity.
Okay, all the best. Thank you. So your name?
Ashish Pachari.
Okay, how was the difficulty level of the exam?
डिफिकल्टी मॉडरेट कह सकते हैं. मेनली PYQs के ऊपर ही रहे हैं ज़्यादातर, लेकिन जो ऑप्शंस होते हैं वो काफ़ी मिलते जुलते रहते हैं.
अच्छा, तो आपने पिछली बार का INISET भी दिया था?
जी, पिछली बार का भी दिया था मैंने.
अच्छा, तो पिछली बार से इस बार का ज़्यादा टफ था?
पिछली बार से इस बार का कंपैरेटिवली थोड़ा ज़्यादा ईजियर साइड में.
अच्छा, ईजियर लगा.
क्योंकि इस बार ऐसा लग रहा था कि PYQ काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. पिछली बार थोड़ा जो इन्होंने और भी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर दिया.
तो कुछ टॉपिक्स आप बता सकते हैं कि कहाँ से आए थे क्वेश्चन ज़्यादातर?
एनाटॉमी के आए हैं, और जो आपके हैं डर्मेटोलॉजी में भी कुछ ऐसे मतलब PYQ टाइप के क्वेश्चन थे. और फिजियोलॉजी में तो थोड़े मतलब कि नए टाइप के आते हैं, क्योंकि ग्राफ जो है उनको हर कोई इंटरप्रेट थोड़ा करना जो थोड़ा मुश्किल साइड में हो जाता है ग्राफ को इंटरप्रेट करना.
ओके, और क्वेश्चन किस टाइप के आए थे, लाइक वन लाइनर टाइप या डिस्क्रिप्टिव या मैच द फॉलोइंग, इस टाइप के?
सब तरह के थे.
अच्छा,
ज़्यादातर जो है ऐसे थे कि मतलब कुछ तो बिल्कुल मतलब सिंगल लाइन वाले, और मैच द फॉलोइंग भी थे, और मतलब और ज़्यादा मतलब कुछ जो थे एकदम सीधे जो लाइन वो वाले ज़्यादा थे उस टाइप. लेकिन वही मैंने बात कही ना कि जो ऑप्शन होते हैं उसमें थोड़ा जो है एकदम सिमिलरिटी करते हैं वो, तो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं 2 ऑप्शन में जो है कंफ्यूजन ज़्यादा हो जाता है. वो वाली बात.
तो आपके अकॉर्डिंग कट ऑफ ज़्यादा जाएगा इस बार या कम होने की संभावना है?
मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा होना चाहिए.
ठीक है.